Welcome to my YouTube channel, Softworldlink. In today's tutorial, I will teach you how to design a 3D logo in Adobe Illustrator. Select the ellipse tool and draw a circle. Press the Alt key and drag with the mouse to duplicate. Select the Shape Builder tool and make the desired selection. Delete all these circles. Duplicate this shape and rotate it using the Rotate tool. Again, duplicate this shape and rotate it using the Rotate tool. Select all the shapes and go to the Filter menu and then click on Extrude and Bevel. Add value as per your requirement. Go to the Object menu and click on Expand Appearance. Merge all parts. Go to Gradient and apply Gradient. Select the Text tool and write the text. Hope the tutorial will be helpful for you guys. Subscribe to the channel for more logo design videos. Thanks for watching the video.